Hey friends, if you wish to fix printer problems after Windows update, then please watch this video. So usually it is not an issue with the update itself but the printer because it disconnects. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab. Select printers and scanners. Okay, you'll find the printer here. Remove it. Okay, then click on add device and wait for the list to refresh, then add the printer once again. This way it will reconnect and you will be able to use it as normal. I have done this in the past. I've done this many times in the past, so I know that this is how it fixes the problem. But if it is specifically with the update, then go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Update History in the right pane. Select Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall corresponding to the latest update and uninstall it. So this will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.